the more ka na dumadami ka, the more kang may manane-neglect. At dahil may nanene-neglect ka, nakakapagtanim ka na ng seeds of offense, nakakapagtanim ka na ng seeds of division. Kasi nga, dumadami ka. Okay? Masaya na madami. Pero, mahirap siyang isustain. Alam mo yun, mabilis magpadami. Pero, ang hirap niyang i-manage. Okay? O, ito po ang challenge ng madami. Bakit po siya messy? Because a family is composed of many, but should act as one. I-desire mo sana ang unity within your family. Desire unity within the church. Because we believe that God commands His blessings where there is unity. Kung magkakaisa lang talaga ang church, kung magkakaisa lang ang pamilya, hindi ka mahihirapan dahil ang Panginoon ng mismo, blessing, prosperity, inuutusan ng Panginoon to come into the place, into the abode of those who are united. Yung household mo, i-aim mo lang, labanan mo lang, fight for unity, then the Lord will command His blessing.